you for coming and recognize your presence. Mukama yebero kwiche hano mu Businge.
Okurejera hari Moses Wambare uri mushuganisa w'ikibina cha NRM Change the Youth aha Warenzo Rinatoro utabaho bwaba MP abatorinwe aha mukoro gwabo nicoreke kishani kibi kandi kibachwenteje.
All MPs were invited and they were served, and the two sent in their apologies. That is Dr. Bruce Paskionga. I said he will be engaged somewhere. Then the Honorable Sarah, MP-elect woman MP Kasese district. However, others, they did not attend, and they did not send in their apologies. And for us, the youth, it's not a problem, but we are looking at accountability. And also, the way we supported them and they did not attend the function, it has really showed us a very bad picture.
Ogunagira ngo tubashemerirwe nakace kandi kikorwa nk'eki kibasa kureta hora hangara hango ahagati y'Eminyeeto na bebembezi.
2031 is not far. We shall evaluate them according to their performance, and it is us who put them in power. You see, politics is not like you have got a public job, a public service job. After 5 years, still you come back to the people, and the people will see whether what they send you to do has been done.
N'ubwabanyishengero okurugo muri Kasese batabasize kushikaha mukorogo we Honorable Vincent Freedom Kahero or MP wa Chaka County mu district ya Chegegwa oshiraha mukorogo ahabwire Eminyeeto obwahati okuteka Amaani ahakora habwentunguka.
Still going outside to seek for employment when there is still so much in this country. So the answer is in the message that the chairman of the NRM Youth, Changed Youth, emphasizing that if the elders and the other people sensitized our people, mentored our people, instructed our people, maybe would see less of them going outside to seek for opportunities.
Wemihinde Elifazi Bukombi hol chairman w'entebe ya katana hawa Kasese ahigire Eminyeeto kwejumbiro mu kutunga obukugu oburaba base kuhanga hemirimo eyokora bakargomboro.
Let's join hands and work. Abiri mudukendika nawo kibukaliye bya Musa siwe trakona ekisigende kuyamba in addition ekisomo kyawo namusoma wikiriraye na walino nawo chaka ukabiri akaukayikolera akakapigiriya chikombe omukali omukwakali mwomuulya muwiteeki ati nawututuuta lwamatusabira twamakanya era matwakerebya.
NRM is one, and we are calling for unity. We are calling for unity. Tutunge obuuma omwa NRM. Kande members of NRM, we shouldn't stop here. Let's have a continuous mobilization.
Eminyeeto erikwegitira mu kibina kyabo ekya NRM Change the Youth Kasese chatano bagira ngo nibija gumiza mbaru kikanisa Eminyeeto yona kandi babira kaheri Eminyeeto ahabo kuba kuronje n'entunguka. Gasha kwa Mate Isaac ahabwa Tayari West.